When does a joke become a dad joke? When it becomes apparent. Is this your interview or my interview?
Most southern state.
It's got to be Nevada, right? Who deadlifts the most at Vitality? Pan over.
Kevin does do lifting. Kevin lifts a lot.
Okay.
Who was the first televised president?
Oh my God, I don't know. Shout out to my American history teacher in high school. I'm sorry for letting you down.
What was the original purpose of tiny pockets in jeans?
To hold your keys.
Hold a pocket watch.
Stop it.
In what year was the internet open to the public?
96.
93.
Great year. I was born that year. Jan 7.
Jan 6th.
You were Jan 6?
Yeah, I mean, now my birthday's kind of ruined, but Jerry's a Capricorn too.
Vitality blowout party on the lab. Thanks, guys. I love this mic, by the way. Thanks, Ethan.
Known mainly for spreading a specific type of food, what Massachusetts-born 19th century man was also fond of spreading religion throughout the country on his journeys?
Dude, I have no idea.
Johnny Appleseed.
You're kidding me.
In which city is Studio 54 located?
These are hard.
Mickey Mouse almost went by a different name. I'll give you an options of 4. Morty, Mortimer, Mortimus, or Mortician Mouse?
Morty.
Mortimer.
What a dumb name.
Who was Walt Disney's favorite princess?
Cinderella.
Which country originated the sport of curling?
Canada.
Scotland.
Why are they never in the Olympics?
What sporting event is held every Memorial Day?
A baseball game?
Indy 500.
Oh, dude. Let's go. Let's keep rolling.
The first sport invented was what?
Horse racing.
Wrestling.
We gotta go mobile with this mic. We gotta grill him.
Okay.
How many teeth are in the human mouth?
32.
Surprising. What is the southernmost state?
New Mexico.
Final answer.
I don't know this stuff.
Louisiana.
Final answer. One Direction or Jonas Brothers?
Jonas Brothers.
Would you rather not shower for a week
Oh, God.
or not brush your teeth for a month?
32.
Thank you. Finally. Everyone got that. We all came
We're good,
correct.
we're
We
good.
can all do our jobs. Who's your favorite Jonas brother?
Nick.
Nick, if you're watching. Final answer. Which one?
Not shower for a week.
It's a great answer.
Hawaii.
Not shower.
It's all about the teeth here.
We can't wash our hair every day, so it's okay.
That's not what I was asking.
I'd rather not shower.
Thin crust? Thin crust or deep dish?
Deep dish.
Why?
Deep dish, because it's extra cheesy.
It's messy.
Weird. If Dr. Shore was a food, what food would he be and why? I would be a fish for food.
I was gonna say a cupcake.
You give salmon vibes.
If Dr. Shore was an animal, what animal would he be and why?
A beast.
Resemble a gecko and a ferret.
A lion, because you're fast at everything.
You guys are tall, long.
Tall, long ferret. They might be a foot, but I'll take it.
They are not tall.
No, they're neither, actually.